Dear students, at the outset, let me congratulate you for having passed your 11th examination. I hope you are all safe and doing well during the times of pandemic. This pandemic has forced us all to interact through digital platforms. Since classroom teaching is not possible, we have to continue the teaching and learning process through online mode. Students, after the gap of 7 years, the Maharashtra State Board has come up with a new edition of English textbook entitled Yuvak Bharati for the standard 12th. I am sure this textbook shall be helpful in shaping the course of your life. Let us first look at the cover page of the new textbook. On the cover page, you can see the pictures of famous Indian writers and novelists. Similarly, there are also the illustrations of the people from the field of mass communication. There is a writer, a radio jockey, television anchor, a public speaker, a digital content writer on the computer, and a journalist with the camera crew. The motive behind having these illustrations on the cover is to encourage the students to master the language of English, as it has become the most powerful language of mass communication in today's times. On the back cover design of the textbook, we can see the chronological illustrations of the evolution of the communication medium, starting from carving on the stones, followed by writing on the paper, the typewriter, till the computer in the modern digital age. You can also see the texts of various Indian languages above it. So students, I hope you must have understood the thought process which has gone behind in the making of the cover of the textbook. This textbook has been prepared with an aim to focus on the holistic development of the students. This text not only helps the students to learn the 4 skills of English language, that is listening, speaking, reading and writing, but also instills in the students the urge to seek information and gain knowledge. If we go through the contents page of the book, we find that it is divided in 4 sections. The first section deals with the prose, wherein we find the writings of R.K. Narayan, A.G. Gardiner, Virginia Woolf, O. Henry, and Achyut Godbole. This section has been introduced to inculcate values and life skills among the students through classics and masterpieces in literature. The second section deals with poetry. In this section, poems of Walt Whitman, Sarojini Naidu, Dilip Chitre, W.H. Davis, Lord Byron have been introduced to students to give a taste of different people, different cultures, and different philosophies. The third section deals with writing skills. Apart from regular summarizing, note making, and note taking, it also introduces personal statements, mind mapping, drafting, virtual messages, and group discussions. All these things have been explained in this section to cater the needs of the techno-savvy generation. The fourth and the last section deals with the novel. Today, the novel is recognized as the most dominant literary form. In this section, the history of the novel has been discussed. The story of 3 novels, To Serve with Love, Around the World in 80 Days, and The Sign of 4 are prescribed for studies. On the whole, we can conclude that this book has a beautiful combination of classics and contemporary. All the poems and lessons prescribed in this book will help you in better understanding of our world. It will also teach you how to appreciate life, ethics and values, and will make you a better human being. This is all about the basic introduction of this text. I hope you all must have understood it. We shall deal with the regular syllabus in the next lecture. Thank you.